loves, welcome back to my channel. If you see my face, oh, not my face. If you're hearing my voice for the first time or you're coming across my channel for the first time, welcome. My name is Mercy. I film about faith, beauty, lifestyle, food, and everything in between. If you're an OG, thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate you and I'm grateful for you. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be making Nigerian stew. This is one of the ways I make my Nigerian stew. And as you guys can see, I already have my tomatoes all chopped up and seasoned and ready to be put into the oven. So usually what I do is I cut it into chunks, as you guys can see, and then put it straight into the oven. But I was watching Ife's channel the other day and I saw that she actually seasoned them before putting them in the oven. She didn't mention the kind of herbs she used, but basically she sprinkled some vegetable oil, herbs, and salt. And the herbs I used for mine are the rosemary leaves and thyme, and then I combine them together. So I used vegetable oil, I sprinkled vegetable oil, rosemary leaves, thyme, and salt. And now I'm just going to put them in the oven. Today I am choosing the roasting method, like I said, and this is one of the ways I make my stew. So yeah, keep watching. I forgot to mention what I have chopped up. I have tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, garlic, and habanero pepper. So those are the stuff you guys are seeing right now. Okay, it is done roasting and I just had to take them out. Don't worry, it wasn't hot. I left them in the oven, and then when it was done, I turned the oven off because I was busy doing something else. Also, the time that you put them in the oven is when you're supposed to be boiling your meat, but I didn't boil my meat in that moment or during that period because I was busy doing something else, like I said. So yeah, now I'm just going to continue blending the pepper mix. This is me showing you guys what it looks like.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time.
So now I'm on the last batch. You guys can see the juice I got from the pepper mix, from roasting the pepper mix. Added the juice to my boiling meat when I was boiling my meat.
Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life.
Now it is time to boil my meat. So I have chicken and beef in the pot right now. While I was washing them, I realized that they had a lot of fat and I couldn't get rid of everything. So what I do to get rid of excess fat is I put enough water. I let that come to a boil without seasoning. Get rid of the excess water and then put the meat back in the pot and season appropriately. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please, this is your time to subscribe, like, okay? Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Also, please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you'll be the first to get notified as soon as I post a new video. I didn't add water initially. I just let it steam for a while. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of water and the juice I got from roasting my tomatoes. Now that our meat is ready, I'm going to separate them from the broth and fry them. So after frying them, I'm going to use the same oil to fry my tomato base, my tomato paste, and my pepper mix.
And they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast. Cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop.
I stir and let that simmer for about 2 minutes, and then I put in my tomato paste, let that fry, and then add in my pepper mixture. If you're going to stir, please make sure to constantly check on it, because if you do not, it's going to burn.
I'll make it look like I'm losing.
Now I'm going to add my broth. Make sure to taste to see if you need more seasoning. In my case, I needed more seasoning, so that's why I'm adding more seasoning, okay? Let it cook until the oil comes to the surface. Stir and then add your meat and let that simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all.
Please let me know if this is how you make your stew as well. Let me know down below in the comment section, okay?
Just I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action.
I covered it again for the second time after adding my meat, and this time I'm just going to let it cook until the oil comes to the surface, and voila, our stew is ready. Yeah, this stew tastes so delicious. Delicioso. Yeah, I hope you guys try it. I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know if you do, and if you enjoyed watching and you're not yet subscribed, please do also subscribe to my channel, okay? Like, comment, and share this video. Join the family. Let's move this ministry to its permanent site, okay? Thank you. And as always, please remember to stay prayed up, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Bye. Thank you. Mwah.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area. Now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came back on my son, conquer. My light is forever gonna shine. I'm so G'd up.